Comparing PD series and getting what appears to be unusual results when the series contains none. I am wondering why comparing two identical series with none value returns false. I would expect all of results to be true. If I create an array from the series and compare, I get the expected result. Why are the two identical series with none not equal to each other? Am I missing something? I would expect this behavior with np.nan because np.nan not equal np.nan. However, none equals none.
This is by design. See the warnings box in this URL. This was done quite a while ago to make the behavior of nulls consistent, in that they don't compare equal. This puts none and np.nan on an equal, though not consistent with Python, but consistent with numpy footing. So this is not a bug, rather a consequence of straddling two conventions. I suppose the documentation could be slightly enhanced. For equality of series containing null values, use pd.Series.equals.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.